Hey y'all, come on in. Today we're gonna make homemade laundry detergent. When my children were little, I used to make a big 5-gallon bucket of liquid laundry detergent from scratch, and that was awesome. It saved us a ton of money. It wasn't that hard to do it. It just, life started getting in the way and I got out of the habit of it. So here recently, in the last year, we've just had more kids back at the house, come home from college. Our niece was living with us, and we were going through laundry detergent like crazy, and the prices have really gone up. If that's something that's a concern for you, is the price, or if you're thinking more the ingredients, whatever your motivation may be. The container I used to buy at Whole Foods was 200 ounces, and it started around $15. Then it got all the way up to about $24. Now they've split that container in half, so they don't sell the 200-ounce container. It's a 100-ounce container, and it's like $12. So I feel like because that price must have been creeping up so high, maybe it was a deterrent for people to buy it. I don't know. Anyhow, so that it felt like we were going through a bottle a week. I have no clue. It just felt like a lot. And there is this website called EWG, Environmental Working Group. You can look up different products to see how safe they are, what bad chemicals are in there. Well, I was looking on there, and the one I buy at Whole Foods, the 365 brand, has like an F rating. That's not good. 7th generation, I was looking at that one. They have like one that's EWG verified, but then a couple of them don't have like perfect scores. So I don't know. It's just this rabbit trail I've gone down, and I'm trying to balance it all out, I guess. So months ago, I looked online and I was looking for different recipes to see which one I would use, which one worked well, and I experimented with them. I landed on a recipe that you'll see pretty frequently on there. It's 4 cups of borax, 4 cups of washing soda, also called sodium carbonate, 1 cup of baking soda, and 1 bar of Castile Soap. Most of them say feldnapta. I guess that's how you say it. I have no clue. But I really like Dr. Bronner's. I'm kind of a cult follower of Dr. Bronner's products, and so I like this lavender bar because it gives it a little bit of a scent without it being overwhelming. And the thing I noticed, when we put it in the laundry, you initially smell it, but by the time it washes and then the clothes come out, it's not like your clothes are smelling like lavender. I feel like it almost just neutralizes. So let's get started. All right. 4 cups of borax. Whew. I like all the dust in the air. Whew. 4 cups of the washing soda. 1 cup of baking soda. We all know my fear of cutting my finger with the grater. Ooh. So whenever I grate the soap, I actually just use my food processor. It looks like string cheese. Then you just mix these all together. It's kind of powdery, so you have to hold your breath. I don't have a clue where we got this jar from, but it works perfect. I have like a little plastic 2 tablespoons. That's how much each load takes. And I just fill this up and put it For the cost breakdown, this whole batch makes about 80 loads at 2 tablespoons a load, which equals out to about 17 cents per load. And when I was looking at the different prices online, most are at minimum 20 cents a load and can go all the way up to drastically more than that. That might not seem like a big deal right now, but over time you end up saving quite a bit of money. And then also you have a very clean laundry detergent for your family. I hope you guys try to make some.